So, did Tom make a bit of a boo-boo?
Yeah.
You tripped over a mushroom. Forgot to cut across.
Yeah. That's alright.
We could fix it. It's alright. We could fix it. So this happens all the time. People just cut the bag off or cut a huge square out and there's no plastic flaps left behind. But it's an easy fix. All you need is some cling wrap. Wrap your block up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Doesn't matter what way you do it. Make sure it's nice and airtight as best you can. Once you've re-wrapped it up with a clean knife, flame or alcohol. Once it's dry, cut your new X, and that's it. Easy fix. We'll go chuck this in our fruiting container and watch it grow. Look at here, man.
Hey, I'm walking here, sir. Oh, I'll show you how to cut up a bag.
Oh, get up, man. Tips for fixing your wrongly cut mushroom bags. It's really important that it's cut correctly, so then the flaps on the plastic help keep the humidity high on the surface of your block. So when you're missing your X cut you've made on the block, this creates a really high humidity around your cut site, which helps the mushrooms pin and start fruiting. If the surface of your block is too dry, then the mushrooms will not pin, and then you just have problems. So it's really important to make sure it's cut the right way. It's an easy fix, just wrap it up in Glad wrap, cut a new crust, and away you go again. If you have cut it wrong and your block's dried out, give it a soak in water in the fridge overnight to rehydrate it, and then wrap it up in Glad wrap and cut a new crust. That's it, simple way to fix it. Good luck.
Moisture.